Madam?
What's that?
Spirit mi ló wà níwájú ẹ̀.
Mi ò mọ̀ gbà tó dé ni mo ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà.
Ó ṣe máa mọ̀. Ó ṣe máa mọ̀ tó ń yírùn bí adìyẹ tó gbé kọ́lí. Nígbà tó jẹ́ kí leléyìí tó ń ṣe tí mi understand.
Mo try láti wà fit ni now.
Fit fún kíni?
Mo try láti wà fit ni o. Torí ìgbà yẹn lẹ máa ní ẹ̀rọ àwọn kan tàn sìn tán fit jù wá lọ. Èmi ò dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ anybody gbọ́kọ́ mi lọ́wọ́. So please, leave me to it.
Ẹ jẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kó má ṣe rẹ̀ léṣe. O má ṣe rẹ̀ léṣe nítorí mi ò mẹ́ni tó ń gbọ́kọ́ mọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́ o. Where's my food?
Oh, I'm dying.
Ṣe kọ́lí ló ń súnmọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Daddy, mi ò rò bóyá ẹ ti rí kà nínú ìwé mímọ́ wípé Adam ló èfè. It didn't happen only because he was man enough to control his anger. Sherry, ìbínú ènìyàn ó dàbí kìnìún rẹ̀ ni. Ó lè ṣe ikú pa ọmọ ènìyàn tí kò bá mú sùn lásìkò. Imagine my mom is your mom, and you return from work only to discover that her husband beats her. How would you feel? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be rude, sir. Mommy, I don't want you to be angry at me. But handset yàtọ̀ sí table phone. Table phone ni anybody lè gbé nínú ilé. Handset is a personal property. Ẹ ò ní right láti fi ọkàn handset Daddy. Not to talk of reading his messages. Tó bá jẹ́ ẹ̀yin ló yẹ kẹ́ ka messages yẹn. Ẹ̀yin wọ́n máa send ẹ̀ sí.
What do you do? Baby, so òun gbé sẹ́yìn Daddy ẹ̀ pé as ìyàwó mi ò ní right whatsoever láti fọ ọkọ phone ọkọ mi. Is that what you're telling me? Huh? Look here, I am married to your daddy. I have every right to touch anything tó bá wù mí tó bá jẹ́ tiẹ̀. We own everything together.
Mommy, you are very right. But the right in theory is practical.
How do you mean?
A man's handset is like an onion. The more you open it, the more you cry.
Ó ti ẹ̀ pé kó ti ẹ̀ bèrè bí tí mo wà báwo lè ń ṣe báyìí láti ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo ti lọ torí Ọlọ́run. Richie ò dé jọ ṣé it ti sú mi. I'm tired. Richie.
Wá kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Má máa ṣe báyìí náà. Dára. Wá. O máa lọ ń believe o smart. O dẹ̀ máa fẹ́ ṣe jura ẹ̀ lọ, o dẹ̀ máa bí mi nù. Now the last time, o bọ́ sí di files mi, o try láti delete ẹ̀. kí ló ṣe ẹ́ wá ṣé Ọlọ́run rò pé kankan wà tó lè gbà ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi no down ìwọ ló ń bìlì pé kankan wà tó lè já kí wọ ẹ̀ kó lọ́wọ́ mi iṣẹ́ tá a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣé o rò pé mi stupid àbí mi daft lójú ẹ mi jọ́ dìdìrín tó lè kó gbogbo àwọn files yẹn sójú kan wá next time tó wá tún bá mi play game yẹn that will be your game over o jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé.
tí kò dábàá yìí ó lè jó torí Ọlọ́run gbogbo tó ń ṣe fún mi yóò dáa ó kàn ń blackmail me for nothing ó ṣe àwọn kémi kan ni mo pa mọ́ mi ẹ̀ èmi kan ni mo pa wọ́n ó kàn ya fọ́tò kan kípẹ́ láti jọ ikọ̀ fi ń rán mi láwọn iṣẹ́ wèrè kò dábàá yóò ti sú mi ó ṣe àwọn kóbìnrin ni ó yà jọ.
You are tired. Ó ti sún ẹ. Ó ti rẹ̀ ẹ́. Lágbára Ọlọ́run kò ní rẹ̀ ẹ́ o. Jọ̀ọ́ o má jẹ́ kó rẹ̀ ẹ́ o. Ó yí ẹ. Ọmọ ilé ẹrù lélẹ̀. Wá ní kó sún ẹ. Ìwọ náà wo eléyìí náà. Agbára àwọn ìyá mi ò ṣòro nga. Kò ní rẹ̀ ẹ́ o. Ó mi ti gbà pé sára. Gbémi inú yàrá ń sìn mi ti gbà sára pé.
Nílé bò fúnkẹ́ ní ríchì kí tún ní báyìí àwọn ahóhùn mi ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ wọ́n tún sọ pé kí ni. Olùkọ́ àdáhùn láyé mi báyìí olówó náà lè tí mo kúrò àmì sí.
Try to understand what I'm telling you. Sis, you cannot continue like this. It is not possible. You know, it's not my control anyhow. No. You know what you do? Look into his eyes and tell him, Richard, enough is enough!
Nifemi, why are you sounding like you don't know Richard? Like, you want me to tell Richard what? Look, listen. You think I like this? You think I'm enjoying it? No! But what can I do? He has pictures. Nifemi, that woman practically died in my hands. As in, over me. What am I supposed to do? He took all the pictures. He has them with him. And he has been using that for 5 years now. I'm tired myself.
I know you didn't do it. I know you did not do it. But you know what we do? Let's involve the police. Then one more about autopsy, you know nothing about it. Yes.
Did you just say police? I mean, see, Nifemi, hold it. We're not involving the police in this. We're not, no police, no, Listen to me, no police. To your law, Mufibe, we're not involving the police. And autopsy of what? Of who? Of a dead body of 5 years? Listen, Nifemi, just calm down. Mama, okay, I'll be fine. Just, see, I'm confused myself, but I need to just do something, but don't worry, I'll just do something, I don't know.
Calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. So what do we do?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know, but
I need solution now.
Hey babe. Here, I've been waiting on you. Where are you?
Yeah, you've been keeping me waiting all day. You know I need to be somewhere though.
No matter how someone is close to you, má gbọ́kàn léèyàn.
Ó ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ bí mo ṣe ṣòro yẹn.
Kì í ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, but nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ ni pé má trust anybody 100% because this life is complicated, highly complicated.
Life is complicated.
Good morning, Micheal. Báwo ni night ẹ? Anyway, mo gbóúnjẹ wá ni o, mo ti drop ẹ síbi tó ti máa ń gbé. Enjoy your day. I'll see you later.
Good evening.
Yeah. Please, can I have a very good clean room?
You're the only one?
Yes, of course. Only me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, hold on, ma'am. The room I gave you, it's not clean enough. So let me have that. This is the clean one.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Hello? Yeah. What's wrong? Yes.
How are you? You can go, don't worry. You can go. So, Michael watches porn too. Really?
Hi, Mike.
Well, he's an adult. He has the right to watch whatever he likes.
You don't work out on me, show ya wele.
Kí ló mean by mo work out on you? Ṣé o mọ̀ pé rubbish ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yìí? Ìwọ náà wò, ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ mi ló jẹ́. Wàá máa ní ká máa bára wa sùn káàkiri gbogbo hotel. O dẹ̀ change, o dẹ̀ yàtọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ pé kíní ìkò polite, kò right, o gbọ́. Wàá máa ní ká máa lọ káàkiri. Tọkọ mi bá lọ find out ńkọ́. Mo dẹ̀ ti sọ fún ẹ, mo ní nǹkan tá à ń ṣe yìí. Kò right, o gbọ́. Mo sọ fún ẹ pé jẹ́ ká stop ẹ̀, ká fọpẹ́ sí but irọ́ sínú ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe. O ti ẹ̀ wò pé kọ́kọ́ mi má lọ ká wa. Tó bá ká wa kí ló fẹ́ ṣe as in o dẹ̀ lẹ́rìí ọkùn, o dẹ̀ níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run sọ. Richard.
Èdè ọkàn tèmi ti kú ti pẹ́ ìdán dà. Ìwé ẹni tó mọ̀ Richie tó mọ̀ ìwọ gan mọ̀ èmi ò lẹ́rìí ọkàn rí wèrè wò mí let me tell you something. Àwọn àṣírí mi tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó ti pọ̀ kọjá kí n ṣe àwọn ajẹ́ kó máa pé ìwọ ń lọ bì kankan kò síbi tó ń lọ o lẹ́yìn kó calm down fi gbogbo ààrẹ balẹ̀ kájọ máa jẹ́ ló bá ṣe ọ̀rá ń jẹ́ wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ yẹn kò yẹ wá kẹ́fù. If not gbogbo gàràgàrà tó ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń rí tó ń wá nídìí ìwúrà mo máa rí nídìí àkọ́ṣù.
Richard lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tẹ́mi ń wá nídìí ewùrà máa rí nídìí àkọ́ṣù. Oh, so plan ẹni kò fẹ́ pa mí bó ṣe ti ń pa àwọn ìtókùn jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ kò lè work tó bá rí pé orí ṣe ó work wo má jẹ́ kí n tàn ọkọ mi máa mọ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo ayé máa gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe sílẹ̀ fi jó.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tí bá pa ẹ́ tí mi dẹ̀jẹ̀ dà kò sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ lẹ́nu wájú mi.
It's going to kill her. He's going to kill her. He's going to kill her.
Oh man, What are you doing here? Michael, you killed somebody. She's not breathing, you killed her. She's dead, you killed her. No. Oh my God. Michael, why did you kill her? Why? Oh, this. You know what? Do not leave here. Let me get my phone. Please. Do not leave here, please.
How are you, Michael? Thank you. I actually forgot my wallet, and I already got home, and I was watching TV when I realized that I forgot my wallet. That's why I actually drove here, and as I was driving here, I remember that my ID card and everything is in the wallet. So that's why I was coming. Okay, hold on, let me talk. Yes, that's what I was saying. I actually saw the door opened and I rushed in, and I saw the woman on the floor, dead. Thank you.
Okay. So, how old are you now? And did you ever have a girlfriend or a boyfriend before?
I am 33 years old. I never had any girlfriend.
Okay. So you never ever felt like having sex with a girl or something like that?
I don't know how to answer that question. It's complicated.
I get it. I get it. So you liked the girl and you were trying to talk to her and she didn't give you attention. So you decided to kill her, right?
What are you saying, sir? I said I walked in and she was already dead.
The manager made us understand that you had left at the time and you've gone home. And your car was still outside. So let's assume that you came back. How could you have got in the building without the manager seeing you if you had come through the main entrance?
That's true. I came in through the back door because where my wallet is was close to that door.
So, madam, did you see anyone around?
This is an hotel. People comes in and go out every day.
I mean, did you actually see anyone in particular about a few hours ago that looked suspicious?
Yes. I saw a guy putting on face cap.
So tell me, what do you know exactly about Micheal?
Micheal is a good guy. Apart from the fact that, you know, he has, you understand what I'm saying? But he's a good guy.
Okay, thank you. So, can you tell me anything about Micheal, his personalities, and how long has he been working with you guys?
Well, it's been 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Although he's autistic, but he's very calm. And he's not troublesome. Yes.
Okay, so are there any suspicious things about him or anything he has done that looks suspicious or anything like that?
No. No, except for today, I saw him with the woman. No, he's been hardworking and trustworthy.
Okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
See, officer, I understand you. But yet, it's just a suspect. See, if there's anything you want to discuss with him, discuss it with me, because I'm his lawyer. You realize you have to grant him bail, though.
But madam, I need you to understand that this is a murder case.
So? Of course I do. He's just a suspect. I mean, it has not been confirmed that he's the one that killed the person in question. And also, under the law, a suspect is entitled to bail. Even his employers, the people he worked for, they requested for bail for him. So, Michael. Michael. Oh, come on, my dear. If anything is bothering you, you can talk to me. I'm so sorry that those people kept you there for so long. And you should have told me immediately that incident happened. Huh? But most of all, don't hesitate to tell me everything that I need to know in order to guide me about the case. You'll tell me, won't you? You know I love you. I love you so much. It's all right.
Mr. Ajibola, since the incident actually happened, we've been expecting you to come and identify the body of your wife so we could continue with the investigations.
Officer, why would I come? For what reason I'm gonna come there? Why? See, I don't know why my wife is at the hotel at that time. I must say, this is a big slap on my face. I won't lie to you. I'm still confused why she was there, because if she wasn't there, she wouldn't be killed at the hotel. She wasn't an event planner. She had no reason to be there. This is a big slap on my face. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna come.
That's too bad for you. But man, surely buruku one here. If you like, cut your head. If you like, jump up, jump down, kill yourself for there. In fact, buy their Lamborghini when you man surely buruku one ton you washi. Whatever nonsense they want to do, they will still do from here to there. One man surely buruku one, and that's why I stay on my lane. I refuse to marry because to be the cover shushi in my house. My 40 years down I do on my lane. Obini.
So, Mr. Jibola, are you trying to tell us to stop the investigation on the suspects?
Suspect? Suspect? You are suspect already?
Yes. There's actually an autistic guy at the hotel that we suspect. And at the time we went to the hotel room to do some investigation, we actually found some surveillance camera. And we suspect the guy knows a lot more than he's telling us. And we think he has much more information.
Are you trying to tell us that there is somebody that was there, that witnessed something? Or he record, like he has a recording or recorder, whatever it is?
Well, we're still working on it, and yeah.
So no recording, huh?
We're still working on it.
You know what? You can go. Don't let me delay you. I'll come to your office later in the day. By God's grace.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Mr. Jibola. Thank you.
Alpha, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí?
Kò yé mi o, mi lè parọ́, má jẹ́ ǹtàn mi ni kò yé mi o.
Ọmọ ṣàgbèrè ó ṣàṣẹ́wó à ń ṣe investigation orí burúkú kan.
O tẹ mọ problem tí mo ní nísìnyí pé mi ìmọ̀ bí ti máa káwọn ọmọ yẹn sí.
Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀.
Àwọn ọmọ mi ìmọ̀ bí ti máa kó wọn sí.
Ọlọ́run ló máa ń wo ọmọ wèrè. Ọlọ́run máa bẹ́ẹ̀ wù wọ́n.
Michael, I know you didn't do it. I trust you. But at the same time, I need to be careful. That was why I invited the police. Okay?
Well, I was thinking I should transfer you to the other branch, but if I had done that, you know the police will suspect us, and I didn't want that to happen. So please, I need you to calm down as the investigation goes on. All right? Is that a promise?
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Thank you. Now you can go back to your office.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What is it this time? Kí ni gbogbo ètò tó sọ fún mi lórí fóònù? Kí ló dé now?
Ṣé bí ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé kí ni mo fẹ́? Ó yá wèrè àbí?
Ó kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà? Kí ló tún dé sìn? Ó ti sú mi mi ò ṣe mọ́.
Wá gbogbo complaint tó máa ń fẹ́ mi yẹn má máa fẹ́ mi o. Ó ti sún mi, I'm tired, mi ò ṣe mọ́. Ìyálà já ẹ̀wò ló máa sọ pé ò ṣe mọ́. Tí máa gbé gbogbo òṣì yẹn fẹ́ mi o, kí ló ṣe ẹ̀? Tí bá ń bá ẹ ṣeré, máa mọ̀ pé mi bá ẹ ṣeré, tí bá tó tà tí mi serious kò mọ̀ pé mi serious. Ó yẹ ẹ sì. Ta ló fẹ́ gbà kàtà lọ́wọ́ akitì gan? Ta lẹ́nu tó fẹ́ gbà ẹ lọ́wọ́ mi? Ṣé gbogbo tó wà lẹ́jọ́ pé wọ́n lè escape ni? Wọ́n bí ìyá ẹ̀ rí. Ok, tó bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ máa lọ fine, mi gan máa free yẹ, máa bá ti yàrá yẹ lọ bẹ nǹkan tó wọ́jọ wà láàrin wa. Tó jọ pa wá pọ̀ yẹn, gbogbo ayé ló máa rí, gbogbo ayé ló máa gbọ́. Ó yẹ.
Micheal. Ok, ní sùúrù kò tí ì le tó yẹn. Ok. Kí ló tún fẹ́ this time? What is it this time?
Good girl. Now you are talking. Tó ìṣe sọ language tèmi nìyẹn. Okay, nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe fèmí sìn ẹ́ ṣe kékeré kan ni. Iṣẹ́ yẹn wà wá gbéra wà wá lọ.
It cannot work. This is so dangerous to you and I don't want to lose you. Má fọkọ mi dala. Ọjọ́ kan lèèyàn máa ń kọ o. This has to stop. What is it? What does it want?
You're shouting. What do you want me to do? Do I have a choice? Or make it look like I actually have a choice. Listen, I have made up my mind. After this one, I might as well just leave America for Richard. I'll go back to Nigeria. Go little here now. I feel very left. No, me ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Mi ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ because this is risky. It is risky. I have no one. Ẹ̀yin nìkan ni mo ní ẹ̀dẹ̀jọ́, please. Ifemi, I know. You know what? Just this once. And that'll be it. No more. After this. I promise.
Just this one, okay? And that's it. And then, sis, you keep telling me all this. I am tired of it. I am tired! What is your problem? What is it? Okay, this time around, what does he want? To inject someone? Drug? Because I remember the last time you went to Mexico. This time around, where are you heading to? Where are you heading to?
Wàṣírí mi, má jẹ́ kó tún sanwó ẹni bí o, ẹ̀dá mi gbà mí. Olúọ̀run, wàṣírí mi, má jẹ́ kó tún sanwó ẹni bí o, ẹ̀dá mi gbà mí. Àṣírí àṣírí orí kò gbọ́dọ̀ tú lójú ìran.
Ọlọ́run, ó dé bá mi ṣàánú sísá mi. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí kò bá lára mu rárá ni. Kò kàn ní option ni. Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ ṣàánú wa.
Inú ẹ̀dá jìn jù kò tó lọ.
Richard, ẹnu ẹ̀ ìfọ́tẹ́ mi wá nídìí akọ̀ṣù máa rí nídìí ewúrà. So plan ẹni kò fẹ́ pa mí bó ṣe ti ń pa àwọn ìtòkùn. Jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ kò lè work. Tó bá rí kó orí ṣe ó wọ̀. Wo má jẹ́ kí n tan ọkọ mi máa mọ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo ayé máa gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe. Sílẹ̀ fi jó.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, òsì kan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Mi máa pa ẹ̀ ọkọ̀ máa kú ọkọ̀ máa ó máa gbàgbé òkú ẹ̀ níṣẹ́jú kan ìwọ náà sọ̀rọ̀. Ìwọ tó ẹgbẹ́ instrument mi lásán ló jẹ́. Ọ̀yá wèrè. Wèrè ẹgbẹ́ ìwọ́sí. Ẹni ló bá. Ó máa ní sọ́jú àwọn. Kí ló ń bá mi sọ? Èwo ni wèrè, èwo ló ṣí? Ibi tó yẹ kó ti wà látànà, kó ti lọ máa ṣe ṣó bẹ́ẹ̀. O kàn jókòó lé, ó yá tell me, kí ló dúró mú nulẹ̀ sí? Kí ló dúró mú? Because wọ́n máa rí nísìn àríṣì bad guy, àríṣì ya wèrè. Wà á rí o láì gbogbo sẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ̀nyí o. Ìbí mọ̀ nǹkan tó lọ ń rò lórí ẹ̀. Ìdè tí ń kà mo lọ́rọ̀ pé tọ́ṣẹ́ mi bá ti já ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ó parí fèmí nìyẹn. You dey lie. Bàbá aláìrọ́ ló pa. Wọ́n. Both of us, we are going down. Kí mo tiẹ̀ sọ. Ìwọ kan ló máa affect jù, ìwọ ló máa jìyà jù.
But Richard, kí ló dé now? O tẹ̀ kí consider mi, o tẹ̀ kí wọ́n pé mi náà ní life, o tẹ̀ sí wọ́n pé mo níṣẹ́ tí mo ń ṣe, mo ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe, wọ́n kọ́ máa gbéṣẹ́ fún mi, wọ́n kọ́ máa rán mi iṣẹ́ kiri, wọ́n kọ́ máa rán mi láwọn dirty jobs. Kí ló dé tó fẹ́ pa mí ni? Tó fẹ́ pa mí ni? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ló dé o rẹ̀? Take it easy now.
Take it easy now. Èmi jẹ́ Mr. Easy. Wá, èmi ò take nǹkan easy my dear. Mi ò take it easy at this junction. Oríwé náà ti jó lórí omi ni. Ó yẹ kó ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀ látàrí náà kó ti máa jẹ́ ju wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀. Ok, ọmọ kan ní ìtẹ̀ ní láti máa pariwo gbogbo vocabulary òṣì wọ̀nyí. Ọmọ go inside. Já wọlé já jáde. Kò bẹ́ mi ta sísìn. Ó ti yẹ.
Uncle Richard, what is your problem? Ẹ jọ fi ẹ̀kọ́ mi sílẹ̀, she's going nowhere.
Are you talking to me?
Wọ́n kọ́ ló bá wùjọ tó lọ́lọ́.
Problem tó máa ń wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ọ̀tẹ́yàn bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní láwọn train pop inú ilé. Wo bí mi ta kó dẹ̀ mú ajá èso.
Kí ni problem ẹ? Báwo lè máa bá Richard sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Kí ló ṣe ṣe fẹ́ kó pa ẹ́ ni? You know Richard, how can you talk to him like that? What is wrong with you? Kí ni problem ẹ? I told you I'll be fine. What is it? No but, sister me, no but. Ifemi, please. I'll be fine. Just let me go, okay? I don't have a choice. Just pray for me. Come and pray for me. If I'm going to share Richard, please, I'm begging you.
I don't want to lose you.
You are not going to lose me. I told you this is the last one, okay? I'm coming back soon. And everything will be fine. You can't talk to him like that, and you know it. Please, don't let me hurt you. Joe, I'm better. Please. Hi. Yeah, trying to check in.
Name, please?
Dara. I'm on Dara Williams. And your name?
Micheal Adeoye.
Nice name. Thank you. I'll see you around. Richard, why are you so heartless? I don't know. Why does he want me to hurt this guy? Why? Like, he's so cute. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hurt him. Hello? Richard, what's the problem, man? What is your problem? I can't to monitor me. She be multi one bit to rob me. What else do you want? Leave me alone. Family. Ah!
Hello, how are you doing?
Hi.
How can I help you?
I am trying to check in.
Alright, so what's your name?
Dara. I'm on Dara Williams.
That's a beautiful name. Beautiful name. Omodara.
And your name?
Of course. My name is Micheal Adeoye, and I'm 33 years old.
Nice name.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Thank you. I'll see you around.
Má sọ mi bó ti fẹ́ máa lọ.
Big sister, mo ní láti lọ, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo ní kí n kọ ya kí yín náà ni kó má dàbí ẹni pé mo kọjá lójúde ọba mi òkè ọba.
Lóòótọ́ ni ó dẹ̀ tún rí èèyàn sọ. Sister ẹ̀ ń kọ́.
She's very fine, but mo kò fẹ́ kẹ́ má bá mi gbàdúrà fún wọn ni because right now situation tí mo bára wọn ó lágbára díẹ̀ gan.
Really? What happened? What's going on with her?
Ṣé rí ẹnìkan báyìí ni o. níbi iṣẹ́ wọn ní mo mí ìpè níbi tó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ẹni yẹn máa ń ranjú mọ́ wọn ẹni yẹn wàhálà ẹni yẹn pọ̀ ẹ wo nǹkan big sister èyí tó ṣàyẹ̀ important ni pé ẹ máa bá mi gbàdúrà fún wọn.
Okay, I'll need to call her. Let me call her. Thank you so much. All right, ó dàbọ̀ ṣé ọkọ mi. Ó dàbọ̀. Okay now. Hello, Ọmọdára. Sister, ṣé wàá ma? Mo wà okay ma. Ma? No, mo wà okay. Kò sí nǹkankan. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Me understand. Èmi wà okay ṣá. Mo wà all right. Yeah, ma yọjú sí, no problem. Yeah, ṣé gan ni ma. Yes ma. All right, bye ma. Kí ló ń ṣọmọ yìí? Nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, kí ló ṣe ẹ́? Hey, listen to me. O lọ sọ́dọ̀ àǹtí àbí? Ẹ̀sùn kí ló wá ṣe tó wá ń gbọ̀ngbà tó dán? Kí ló dé tó ń gbọ̀ngbà tó ń béèrè mi? Kí ló ṣe ẹ́ tó ń ká lòlò? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
I don't understand you.
Nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, kí ló ṣe ẹ́ now? What is wrong with you? But mo ti sọ fún ẹ pé mo wà okay. We can't let this out. Just calm down. Má padà wálé very soon. I'll be fine. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, listen to me. Listen. O ní láti stop gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí. We can't let this out, okay? Wo kó lórí fóònù fún mi jàre.
Hello?
No problem. Oh! Mike, what are you doing here?
I came to buy some stuff around here.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Take care. still here?
Well, you know, I really don't trust stuff in the hotel, so I like to buy my own brand, the things I'm used to, so I decided to come pick up a few things, lady stuff.
You know, I actually come here regularly, buy all the things for the house here.
Okay.
I actually walk every time I come here. You know, because I drive every time. I'm talking too much, right?
No. You're good. I actually enjoy watching you talk.
You know, I know I'm a bit awkward. I can't communicate.
No, you're not. You know, I actually had a brother like you, but we lost him.
You lost him?
Yes. You know, he couldn't hold a job. He couldn't socialize. We were always in and out of the hospital, so eventually we lost him a few years ago.
I'm sorry.
That's fine, it's okay. You know, you're doing well. I mean, you have a job, you socialize. I mean, you talk to people all the time, and you can do things for yourself. You're doing well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See ya.
All right. See how cute this guy is. Can I really hurt this guy? I mean, kí ló ń ṣe Richard báyìí? Kí ló fẹ́ kí n hurt bọ̀bọ́ ìfún torí Ọlọ́run? Dara, calm down. Just do what you're here to do. Àbí mo ti ń fall in love pẹ̀lú bọ̀bọ́ yìí ni? No, that's not possible. Let me just do what I'm here to do. Kí Richard lè free me. Michael? Do you guys have a pool here?
It's not in operation now.
Oh, really? I'm actually trying to get in water. I just feel like swimming.
You kind of look stressed. Are you all right?
Well, you know, sometimes it's hard to get to sleep, and well, but I'm used to it. I just
you know, it's natural to get stressed out. You just need to make sure that you rest enough and make sure that you don't do things that will, you know, emotionally stress you.
Okay.
I think I'm talking too much.
No, you're not talking too much. I actually like the way you talk. Anyway, I will be outside if you need company.
Okay.
Ṣé ìyá Daniel ti mú owó ọjà tí mo ní kẹ́ fún nírọ̀lẹ́ àná wá?
Hey, Mama.
Mama.
Yes, ma.
Mọ nǹkan kan mọ̀. Ó mọ nǹkan kan rí ní ayé tiẹ̀. Ó kò dàgbà ó dánú orí gìlọ̀tọ̀ bí ajá pọ̀n mẹ́ta. Gbogbo ń tó mọ ojú pé kó máa kún ojú kó máa kún ètè kó máa rèdí sí àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́kadà nínú ọjà lọ. Aṣọ mélòó lẹ ní ìyá Ṣadé wá gbé?
6 mọ̀.
6?
Yes, ma.
Kí ló wá dé tó ta ló kọjá lẹ́nìí?
Sákì mọ̀.
Sákì àbí Sukura?
Oh my God. Really?
Make me believe that I'm very funny.
Of course you are. I like your company. Thank you. Thank you so much for keeping me company.
I like your company too.
Michael? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Never?
Never. You know, come to think of it, who do you think will be girlfriend to a stupid man?
No! You're not stupid. You're not stupid, Michael.
I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm really sorry.
Michael, it's okay.
I didn't mean.
No, you're fine. You know, I actually started liking you when I saw you.
Really?
Yeah.
I kind of like you too. You're the very first girl I'm looking into her eyes.
Are you okay? Calm down. Come on.
tèmi ṣáàjì tó ṣe lókè ó ti tó ẹni tó fẹ́ pa mí ni a. a máa dọ́ọ̀lù mi jàre.
ṣé kò tó wọ́n mi wá ṣe bíbá yín ní kí ló dé.
ọ̀gbẹ́ni susi kò wá.
ó ti tó kí ló dé gan-an.
mi láìpẹ́ o máa ṣe é jàre. kí ló máa ń ṣe ẹ́. wetin dey worry you sef. wọ́n máa dọ́ọ̀lù èèyàn.
What's go?
I'm so sorry, Michael. You see, I tried to stop them, but they have a search warrant. That's why I allowed them.
Oh, Michael. Can you remember the...
Excuse me, officer. If you want to ask him any question at all, ask me, because you know I'm his lawyer.
I'm sorry, madam. That's not possible. Yeah, because you have to choose one of the two options.
Which is?
We either have him questioned right here, or he comes to the station and give us some answers.
That is how you want to play it. All right, go ahead, ask him.
Better. Hi, you, Michael. You look so great.
Is it a crime to look great? What are you doing in my room?
We looked through the hard drive and everything has been wiped out.
It's my hard drive. I wiped it out.
Why would you wipe it out, Michael? And what are you doing with all these gadgets?
Oh, officer, this is his way of seeing life. These are his friends. Can't you see his condition?
Excuse me, madam. Would you allow us to question Michael, please?
All right.
So, Michael, are you telling us that you actually wiped them out without any type of backup or an alternative?
Exactly.
How can you say you wipe your hard drive without a backup?
Then we suspect you're hiding something, Michael.
He is not hiding anything. Please, officers, without meaning to be rude, you have come, you have searched, and you can't find what you are looking for. Please, can you leave my house?
All right, well, thank you. Let's go.
I'm sorry, my darling. They had a search warrant. That's why I allowed them. I'll see them out.
Cause I'm stuck here with a blackmailer. Kò mi kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ inú mi. Kò mi kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ inú mi.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am. How can I help you?
I'm actually here to see Michael.
Michael?
I'm his friend.
Michael's friend? Michael doesn't have friends. I'm so sorry, but are you sure about the Michael you're looking for?
Yes, the one that works at the hotel.
Oh, fine. But he doesn't work there anymore.
Yeah, I noticed I've not seen him for some days, so I asked around for his address and someone was nice enough to give me his address. That's why I'm here.
Michael's friend. Okay. Just give me a moment.
Thank you.
So I'm so sorry if you feel embarrassed the way I spoke to you outside.
It's okay.
You see, Michael is my nephew by adoption. My elder sister adopted him when he was a toddler, and she passed on when he was 10 years old. So it's been my lot to take care of him since then. And sincerely, he's such a nice and wonderful boy. And for all these years, I mean, nobody had ever come up to claim they're Michael's friend. He had never shown me any of his friends. So that's why I was kind of skeptical when you said you're Michael's friend. I hope, but for Michael to have such a nice looking friend, I'm pleased.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So how did you meet?
Well, we met at the hotel, and like you said, he's a very nice person.
Oh, that he is. Such a wonderful, wonderful human being. I'm glad you're his friend.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You should do this more often.
Thank you.
It will come down in a short bit.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Please, feel free. You're Michael's friend. That's good to know.
Mike, honestly, if I didn't miss you, I wouldn't be here.
I'm broken-hearted. I just want to be left alone.
I'm sorry about that.
See, before I met you, I researched about what love is. And I found out that it is like cocaine. You can get addicted. So, and I don't want to get addicted to something that will break my heart. That's why I want to be left alone.
Look, I'm sorry if I made you feel like that. It's complicated. You can understand. Okay. I'll just stay away because I don't like you like this. I don't want you to feel like this. So I'll just stay away, and I hope you'll be fine. I have to go.
Ó sharp ju gbogbo level. Wọlé kanlẹ̀ mú nǹkan tó fẹ́ mú kúrò lórí ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká fa ọ̀bọ ìsinrin náà kí wọ́n gan ó lè be happy ká dẹ̀ move on.
Richie, move on with what?
Move on with your life. Ìwọ gan ní life náà. Ìwọ gan yẹ kó be happy kó jáì sí gbòòrò kó ṣe nǹkan tó wù ẹ́. Wá iṣẹ́ ìrọ̀rùn náà. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ó ṣú ọ̀fẹ́ mi pé ó ṣì ní kankan tó ń hide. Ìwọ wọlé kanlẹ̀ síbẹ̀ fẹ́rù síbẹ̀ yẹn. Tó bá fẹ́rù síbẹ̀ tán jájáde iṣẹ́ máa ṣe ra ẹ̀ náà. Why tó ń ṣe báyìí?
Oh, but Richie, ṣe kò sọ́nà mi ni. Is there no other way láti fi gba whatever tí bọ́bọ́ ìbá ní lọ́wọ́? Ó dàda pé kí n pa ìwọ náà mọ condition ẹ̀. Ọmọ kó tó bá rí bọ̀ yẹn, ó máa wà agitated, ó lè yìnbọn fúnra ẹ̀ kó para ẹ̀ kó dáa.
Kí ló máa ṣe ẹ́ náà? Mi expect kó máa think upside down. Okay, condition yẹn gangan ló jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ yẹn make sense. Tó ń bá wọlé síbẹ̀ yẹn sìn, tó mú bọ̀ yẹn, tó ń parí ara ẹ̀ fúnra ẹ̀ ó mọ̀ tó já ara ẹ̀ tó para ẹ̀. Ó kú ọlọ́run tí ẹnìyẹn òun fúnra ẹ̀ ló para ẹni ẹ̀ no be your own problem. Ìwọ náà wá ṣe kí ni? Ìwọ gan tó wá gbòmìnira, ìwọ gan tó ní freedom, wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bí àbí wà máa jà. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́ náà dára?
Richard, are you kidding me?
Bóyá máa jẹ́ nìyẹn o.
See him.
Lórí tó ń bọ́ ní lójú bí ẹlẹ́tẹ̀.
Thank you for everything.
You keep telling me you are okay, but I am not. Yes, I'm scared. Aren't you done with it? Okay, I promise you, I will not tell anybody. Trust me, I won't. If things are getting out of hand, start coming home. Yes. I love you. Okay. All right, bye.
Who's there? Hey, you. Come here. What is happening? You did Chris. What are you doing here? Okay, don't worry. Dara. Dara.
What are you doing here?
You okay?
What are you doing here?
I saw him hitting you, and I ran here so that he won't kill you.
You saw him hit me? How? Where? How? Me? How?
Hold on, I'll explain to you.
You've been watching me? Why? What was...
It's not about just you. I actually put the camera in the room so that I can be observing people and see how people relate to each other. I just want to learn to know how people communicate, you know. I also see how people get intimate. So I'm just using it to learn. So, and I saw him hitting you. That's why I rushed from my room. I'm sorry, but I have everything. I'll show you everything you need to know.
What else do you know? What else have you seen apart from this?
Just come to my house. I'll show you everything. You see why I came to your hotel? I didn't want him to kill you like he killed the woman. How did you meet this dangerous man?
You can understand. You can understand. So, this video, has anybody seen it? Have you shown it to anybody? The cops? Have you shown it?
No one. I showed it to you first. You're the only one.
So, what am I gonna do? I'm not even safe. I'm so scared.
See, I know you broke my heart. I want you to amend my heart for me, but I promise you I can protect you from this man. I can be your shadow. I can protect you.
It's complicated. You really can't understand. Come.
Jùgò tó lọ, ẹ̀dá ò ṣe tutọ́ funfun síta bánú sọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa bènìyàn sọ àfi kí ọba ṣẹ̀dá kó daṣọ àṣírí rẹ̀ bò wá ẹni bá ti lọ́lọ́run
Dara. Thank you.
No matter how someone is close to you, má gbọ́kàn lé yàn.
Kí ló dé ẹ̀yà àti tani tani pariwo mọ́ lórí fóònù?
Tani tún fẹ́ jẹ? Tani ó kọ̀ sẹ̀rọ̀ ó kọ̀ tún lè máa pressurize life mi tó lè ju Richard mi.
Kí náà tún fẹ́ mi ò expect pé bí wọ́n tún máa pè yín náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ ti jìjọ sọ pé kò sí kankan tó máa dà yín pọ̀ mọ́ lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti jọ ṣe so why is he calling you.
Ó mi fún ní driver náà ṣé mo fún ni mi ò fún náà mo kọ̀ I mean yeah mo parí iṣẹ́ tó rán mi but mi ò rí driver yẹn kò tí ẹ yé mi mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo dé nílé I don't even understand mi lè sọ pé mi báyìí ló wà ó dẹ̀ ti ń pariwo lórí fóònù sí máa dé ìbàyẹ̀ sọ tí lòun bọ̀ máa ṣe drama wọn máa pariwo bí wèrè ni mi ti fẹ́ wà láì rárá I don't know what to do.
Ẹ wo ẹ ṣáà take it easy take it easy èmi ń bọ̀.
You don't know me far. Why? Only break any. Okay. Me get break kale. Mo do like this. I said don't see o jello. O de wan so shi pẹ̀lú mi. Okay na. Èmi mọ̀ pé ba ja ke ma pretend and be at enja. Mi mọ̀ pé bobo yẹn ma fẹ́ ma record everything. He dem go ma falling. Okay, to ma falling. Àwọn lè hit your heart. Wọ́n lọ ṣe bí olórí búkú bá ti dí mi wá kan. Ṣé wọ́n ní break ọjà? Wọ́n ní break on mi ni. So the Erika to say yes, or to cause another trouble. Yes, because we might find operation me. What? Was you let your there? Well, on my drive for a family, kiss your sunset to my Jeff me.
I drive to where they want to fail Kule. That's all also. It's not the church. I drive, but what I drive are you talking about?
So I mean, don't mess with us.
What be by you? I drive one your one.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ ó dẹ̀rẹ̀ mú jáde nínú ilé.
Now mi ti rí sí orí ẹ̀ ò gbá wọn ní àjò mi wọ́n ẹ̀ di last time ní kan mú ẹ̀ so olórí burúkú yá ẹ̀wọ̀n mú ẹ̀ so yẹn lọ sí ní àyà oṣù náà kí a máa fàyà là àwọn olórí burúkú ní ó sì yẹrẹ ni ókè kò lẹ́mìí ara ẹ̀ lórí.
ó lè ṣe kankan fún mi èmi ti mọ̀ ẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àpàyàn tó ti bá kò lè dùn mí fún ẹ bó o ṣe padà bọ̀ rẹ ò lè pa níbẹ̀ nítorí pé ìgbàlagbà ẹnìkan kì í pàwọ̀.
well played olórí burúkú ni yá ẹ o sọ ìwọ wa sọ gbogbo síkírìtì mi gbogbo tẹ̀mí pẹ̀ síkírìtì ẹ ìwọ pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ fún èrè.
káńtà síkírìtì fún mi wọ́n ájọ tó fẹ́ parẹ́ sí ọwọ́ àlẹ́ ọwọ́ mi gbogbo ẹ̀rẹ́ ni mo ti wò.
ó ṣe orí fẹ́mi olórí burúkú ni yá ẹ ṣá. Now, wá kàbúrú ẹ ti jẹ tán ẹ ti ọkọ yàyà yìí ti kú ọ̀rẹ́dì lọ fẹ́ mi ní àdúrà lọ́kì tó mọ̀ tí ma. wà á wẹ̀rẹ̀ lélẹ̀ yìí kí ló ṣe wọ́n lọ́dọ̀ tí mo. Ó ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì náà I swear how did you sabi ah you sabi okay ṣé o máa ń yìn ní irú àdúdú à ṣé o máa ń yìn ní no you sabi ah you fit use oya shoot àwọn ọlọ́dún kúkú lélẹ̀.
I am gone. And according to Gogo, it can be used with one hand.
I swear! Wait!
Okay, there's no bullet. I took it out.
Orisi pé ìyá ẹ̀ ó rìn ní kú lọ́wọ́. Ó ti rí. Swear! Ó ti yà wẹ́rà. Láti fẹ́. Yàrá yàrá iṣẹ́. Èmi. Wá. Mi trust ẹ̀ náà wá sí ẹ̀. Èmi wá. Wá. Oya. Lọ́mú wá fún mi. Lọ́mú wá fún mi jàre. You not count to 3. Before 3, if every drive, everybody sing. What?
I'm getting what's it now?
Calm down.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Yeah. See how it feels, bro? You are supposed to be my friend. Man, you slept with my wife, bro. Man, as if that is not enough. Oh, payawo me, bro. Oh, payawo me. Man, you are not a friend, bro. Man, you sure me, man.
Ó yà mí lẹ́nu àbí. Sherry, kí n tó charge fóònù mi lé ni mo ti yìn fún mi. Sherry á drive tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pátápátá.
Yeah, I saw everything. Gbogbo ẹ̀ mo rí. Oh, they hide wọ́n, bàbá, orí gbogbo ẹ̀. Everything orí, man. Everything orí. Man, this is your last judgment for me. Man, I'm going to kill you, bro. Oh, go see all right. No excuse, bro. Yeah.
You know, it was very wise of Mr. Jibola to claim self-defense.
Yeah, I mean, he saved our lives. And I don't think he deserved to go to jail. I'm glad he's out. Mike, I know I came to you in pretense, but I really do like you. I don't know, do you mind if we start all over or just pick it up from where we stopped.
That's what I mean.
Really? I'm sorry.
It's all right.
What like me going to me landlords?
How do you mean?
To your current landlady me, Alaja. Ay! Alaja bubu. As bí kon fi ṣe wọ́n ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run wà lára mi. Ó yẹ kí n lọ pe àwọn boys kó bá mi nà, kó bá mi kọ́ wọn lọ́gbọ́n. Torí ikú tí ò sọnù Alaja máa ń wá kiri. Wọ́n máa tójú bọlé. Ìmí wà lè jẹ́ kí ìyá láyà wèrè kan kó pọ̀ mọ́ lọ́mọ o. Torí nǹkan tí ò sọnù wọ́n máa lọ abẹ́bẹ́, wọ́n máa wá ojú òṣù, wọ́n máa tójú bọlé, wọ́n máa wá nǹkan sọnù, wọ́n máa ṣe ògbẹ́. Continue.
Ó já dìde. Ó já dìde torí tó bá olórúkọ ẹ̀ wọ́n ní ìyá òfò lórun ẹ̀ kó máa kúnlẹ̀ orí kú. Dìde o ti mọ nǹkan tí mo bá wá kò dá mi lóhùn.
Mọ́mí má bínú.
Ta ni mọ́mí ẹ̀? Yóò ṣe pé ayé ń bá mi ṣẹ̀yìn méjèèjì. Dá mi lóhùn.
Mọ́mí ẹ fún mi nígbà díẹ̀ sí.
Kí n fún ẹ.
O kí ló fariwo báyìí náà?
Pé mi ò ṣe mọ́sẹ̀ arábìnrin mi ò ṣe mọ́ àbí nǹkan mi wà ń bẹ ni ẹ máa gbà mí lọ́wọ́ ọmọbìnrin.
Alájà ẹ má bínú.
Sure boy má dànù bí mi o má dànù bí mi o sure boy ṣé ọmọ nǹkan tí ọmọ yìí ṣe ni mo ní èmi pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ìbá gbẹ́pọ̀ wa kò lè possible mọ́sẹ̀.
Alájà ẹ ní sùúrù.
Sùúrù orí burúkú ò lóní kìíní ṣé àwọn ọmọ gbàtọ́ ọmọ yìí ti sanwó lé last ni. Wàá lọ mi ò lè bẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ mọ́.
Ẹ̀yin náà mọ bó ṣe lọ nígboro ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún nígbà díẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ìgbà díẹ̀.
Díẹ̀ kékeré náà.
Sure boy. Ó dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń mú orí fọ́ mi láti inú etí. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé ìgbà wo ló ti sanwó lé mi bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Ẹ ò mo understand ó yé mi bọ̀rí náà mọ̀ pé kò easy ẹ wá wò láti ìgbà tó ti parí NYSC ní gbogbo nǹkan ti dojúrú ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ kàn fún ní final word nísìnyí.
Èmi mo kó bá ní.
Tó bá tún wáyé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tó bá tún wáyé ẹ ti try to. Ẹ gbọ́.
Sure boy. Sure boy. Ó máa tóbi lọ́wọ́ mi gan-an. Máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ orí ẹ̀ pé sure boy wà nílé ni. Okay o madam Odolugbepo ní gbèsè. Ìgbà wo wá ló dà báyìí?
Ẹ fún mi 2 weeks.
Tó kíni? 2 weeks náà irọ́ wo mi ò ṣe mọ́ mi ò lè ṣe.
Ọjà 2 weeks wá pọ̀ jókè ọ̀sẹ̀ kan kọ́.
Sure boy. Máa fún ẹ lépè tó máa ṣú ọdún kó máa fún ẹ. Ọgbọ́n àbò dáhùn.
I have never felt this way in a long time.